welcome back in the kitchen again. Today we're making chicken parmesan with our freezer chicken strips. So
gourmet.
Very gourmet. We have our giant flukes. This is kind of hot right now, actually. This is how you boil water. Aw, these are looking so yummy. Oh, why does it look like a nose?
It's the end of the night. Everyone's looking to get rid of their king. We can make a killing. I don't know. Are you kidding me, Rowdy? That's obviously Artificial trying to scare us. That's what you said about the cheese. And that was real. That's physically possible, Rowdy.
Is it busting?
That one is a tiny bit crunchy.
Okay. Yum. Oh, it's hot.
Wow. We're gonna have buckles.
Chef. Oh my God.
Chicken core.
I'm gonna get in.
Oh my God.
Why does it do this here? I feel like it never did that in Texas.
I did not.
I mean, I never made pasta in Texas. Training. Oh. Period.
YouTuber core.
You're like.
I can't do it. What if we can't open this?
Key.
Ah!
I mean, they tried.
Ow!
I saw it move that time. Ow!
I immediately know.
Oh! That's really helpful though.
Oh my gosh, how are we supposed to open this? What do people do? Don't they do like...
Something like that.
Oh, my finger hurts. My finger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, this is the end of this vlog. Oh my God. So strong.
Oh my gosh, I just opened the second one. Oh, that was
You're so
amazing.
strong for that.
First try.
I don't really know how much. Ew, why is there so many tomato chunks? Oh.
Mmm.
No. This is a lot.
Is that still hot? There's so many chunks.
You want to do some?
Yeah. Teamwork.
Teamwork, teamwork.
They look like little biscuits, and they're not supposed to look like that, but they'll probably taste good. It's my fault. I forgot to take the rolls out of the freezer earlier.
Okay, should we put this in now?
Yeah. Oh.
I scoop noodle and then get a chicken. And usually there's a lot more sauce and you just steal some sauce.
Okay, now we're getting a roll. look at these.
Look at these delicious rolls.
Your finger just went inside of it.
Just
I should have greased the pan, but I thought it would be no problem. Here you go.
gourmet food.
Yum.
The trash right here is such a good.
Yeah. Yum. Here's the plate. Here's your review you've all been waiting for. Mmm.
It's definitely a college meal.
Mm-hmm.
A college version.
Yeah, definitely low grade.
It's definitely better when my mom makes it.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's so good.
This is definitely better than other meals that I've made.
Mm-hmm.
So, on the yumminess scale, that's what I'm calling it, trying to decide what feels right. I'd say an 8. That feels good. And then on the difficulty, it was like a 2.
Yeah, not difficult at all.
Yeah. Oh, the rolls though, we didn't try those. It's nice and hard on the bottom. Wow.
They taste like they always do to me.
Mm-hmm.
They just look a little different.
They're usually fluffier. Well, that's it for this review. Thanks for joining us. Comment below if you want to see us make something else together. This lighting is
I look
so bad.
scary.
Why it's like that. Come play with me, Riley.
This filming quality is so good. This lighting.
I know. It's okay. We're back with the crock pot. So I don't know how much this is. I'm just gonna dump it in. And hopefully that's not too much. I don't know. Okay, looks questionable, but let's just go with it. Okay, I was definitely supposed to let this be thawed and not frozen, but I'm just gonna pour some salt on it. Okay guys, we're back and we're gonna make the, I guess, sauce mixture that we're gonna put on top of the chicken. So, oh, this is gonna take a while. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So, okay, now I'm just gonna put like a little less than a 1/4 cup of Italian dressing. Because I didn't put a full cup of barbecue sauce, so big brain stuff. Now we're gonna do a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, now we're just gonna kind of guesstimate how much brown sugar. This is very hard, Mandy. Why is it hard like this? I'm getting brown sugar everywhere. Shout out to Amanda for letting me use her stuff. Okay, I have to leave right now for class, so let's just dump this in here. It smells kind of busted. Okay, now we're gonna set it on high. Set an alarm for 4 hours.
I set your alarm.
I don't know what to do with this. Wow!
Oh, it smells good.
That is so prominently.
Prominently? Is that the right word? Is that the word you're looking?
What do I do now with it? I don't know.
What did the directions say? Did it say to shred it?
I mean, yeah.
Look at this.
Let's go to town, you guys. Looks nice and tender. All the little juices. Why is yours in there? I keep mine in the fridge.
Because I don't want cold barbecue sauce.
Oh, I do. I also used Amanda's products and I
Of course. What's a meal without mayonnaise?
I shouted you out though, so you'll enjoy that part of the
That makes
video.
up for it.
Yeah. Is my nose bleeding again?
I hope you're not dripping blood into
No,
the
it's just
snot.
yeah. That's fine, right? Just a life and day in the life of Kirsten. Yeah, it's shredded too much or too less? Too little? Too... See, this is a whole chunk.
You lost too much blood.
That
That's
is
what's
just...
happening.
Okay. Dang it. Well, here's my mush. So good. Many hours later. Oh, it looks, it's what it, okay. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know if I was expecting
Is it
it
good?
or not. I think it is. This is a mess. It was very sweet, which I love. I went a little ham on the brown sugar, probably. It's pretty bussin'. Okay, I would rate this probably a 9 out of 10. Is that our highest yet? They're shocked. I think it is. I think it is. I don't know. It just tastes like I feel like I didn't actually mess anything up this time. Wow, the sky is so pretty. And that's probably because it was on the easiness scale, like a 2 or a 1. And that's that. Pretty bussin'. Would recommend. So I'm gonna eat this and maybe some carrots or something because I'm really healthy like that. I should have done the brown sugar before that. Great. I already have a 4th cup. Okay. Anyways, what do I need? A taster tips. Okay. Identity theft is not a joke, Caitlin.
What?
Why does
What
this
is
one
that
look
even?
like that? It's just funny, okay? This isn't even shredded at all. Like,
Didn't you just
what
enjoy
for?
too much?
Please don't pay. What the heck? Why is there a stain on my shorts?
I can't wait for all this to be the bloopers.
The bloopers are just me getting mad or Caitlin saying something irrelevant or me singing Taylor Swift. That's the blooper reel. That is my bag of bloody tissues that I need to take out to the trash. So that's future Kirsten's problem. We'll just cut that out. Please don't. Okay, I would. No, I didn't like it. Is this funny?
Yes.
Okay, don't laugh. Hey guys, frog bat time. You like my PJs? Cute, right? Giving grandma. Water. Ew, look at that. That's disgusting. I'm just gonna... Couldn't even see that. We have frozen corn. Yummy. Now for my least favorite part. Ow. Mandy opened it for us. Everyone say thank you. Oh, it smells so bad. I don't love salsa. Oh, it's so gross. I'll just... Okay, that's enough. for me, but okay. It's not even getting in here. Okay, whatever. Okay. I actually had a dream about making this and I didn't have all the ingredients. And so I was just like cooking chicken by itself. And it was a nightmare. It was horrible. We will see her in 6 to 8 hours. All right guys, we're back and we're here to shred some chicken. It smells pretty good, but I'm starving, so anything smells good at this point. This is what it looks like when my mom makes it, so hopefully it's good. This is gonna take a while, guys. I'm gonna get back to you when I'm done. Okay, I have a burrito. I just put the stuff. It's super runny, so you have to like drain it. But it smells really good. So let's see if it tastes like my mom's. No, yeah, it's really good. It's a little different, but it's still good. Good different. All right, I would say for yumminess, probably an 8, maybe 9. And for difficulty, like a 2, 1.5, like so easy. So that's my review. I'm starving, so this just tastes 10 times better that way, you know? That's it. I'm gonna eat this now. Dang it. See that drip? This chair caused me to drop so many pieces of food out of my mouth.
Grandma, wait, I got your mouth.